Hey guys, it's Sam. I hope you're having a great summer. Our trainers have released new content for you, so let's check it out.
First up is create a note-sharing app with Angular, NodeJS, Express, and MongoDB. The Mean Stack tutorial for beginners online training with Sean Wassell. This course will teach those 4 components so well that by the end of training, you'll have written your own note-sharing app. If you've already been working as a developer for a few years, you know the benefit of learning and coding within a stack. This training will teach you Mean, especially quickly with your experience in coding. Next is Daniel Sassy's Azure Security Certification Prep, Securing Data and Applications Training. One of the many appealing parts of using the Azure cloud is how much infrastructure is handled automatically. But companies get into trouble when they assume everything about using Azure just happens on its own. In reality, it takes trained and certified administrators to help Azure run properly. This training not only helps you prepare for Azure certifications, it shows you how to secure your data and apps in the Azure cloud. And finally, Python and Pandas for data manipulation online training with Jonathan Barrios. Pandas is a deceptively cute name for a really powerful data analysis manipulation tool. If you're using Python to analyze data, Pandas is arguably the only tool for data mudging, transforming raw data into a different format so that it's more useful. If you've been working with data for several years, you've probably seen some things Pandas can do. This course shows you how to use Pandas and advance your data career.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest on CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't, make sure to sign up for our free trial to see everything that CBT Nuggets has to offer.